This is Module 7, Lesson 15. Your workbook should be out and ready. Module 7, Lesson 15. We'll start with the problem set. Mrs. Coslow put a border around a 5-foot by 6-foot rectangular bulletin board. How many feet of border did Miss Coslow use? So you're going to draw the rectangular bulletin board and label the sides, 5 foot on two sides because it's a rectangle and 6 foot on the other two. Opposite sides are the same length. When it is a perimeter, you're going to add up 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6, which would equal 22. So Mrs. Coslow used 22 feet of border. Number 2, Jason built a model of the Pentagon for social studies. He made each wall 33 centimeters long. What is the perimeter of Jason's model Pentagon? Pause, draw a pentagon and label your sides, and then find the perimeter. There's a pentagon drawn. All 5 sides are 33 centimeters. So you would add 33 plus 33 plus 33 plus 33 plus 33. And I'm showing how you could break it down to add them together. It would equal 165 centimeters. The perimeter of the pentagon Jason drew, or Jason made for a social studies project would be 165 centimeters. Number 3, the Holmes family plants a rectangular 8 by 9 vegetable garden. How many yards of fencing do they need to put a fence around the garden? You're going to draw your rectangle and label it, and then find the perimeter. Go ahead and pause this. Try it on your own with those clues, and then turn it back on to check your work. So there's a diagram of a rectangle. The long side is 9, the short sides are 8. The perimeter is adding up the sides, 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. When you add them together, the Holmes family needs 34 yards of fence for their vegetable garden. Number 4, Marion paints a 5-pointed star on her bedroom wall. Each side of the star is 18 inches long. What is the perimeter of the star? Excuse me. Okay, pause it, solve it if you can. Each side is 18 inches long. There are 10 sides. So instead of counting 18 10 times, you do know that 18 times 10 would be 18 times 10 would be 180. So the perimeter would be 180 inches. You've got to think of those tricks before you panic, because you can multiply tens by anything. The soccer team jogs around the outside of the soccer field twice to warm up. The rectangular field measures 60 yards by 100 yards. What is the total number of yards the team jogs? Keep in mind they go around the field twice. Go ahead, try this. Pause the video and then turn it back on for your answer. 100 foot by 60 feet would be 100 plus 100 plus 60 plus 60, which would be 320 yards. That's one time around. So you have to add 320 plus 320 to equal 640. The team jogs a total of 640 yards. Question number 6. Troop 516 makes three triangular flags to carry at a parade. They sew ribbon around the outside edge of the flags. The flag side lengths each measure 24 inches. How many inches of ribbon does the troop use? You're going to have to find the perimeter of one flag, and they're all the same. So one flag plus one flag plus one flag. "24, 24, 24, you would add those. 24 plus 24 plus 24 equals 72. And you know there are three flags, so you would add 72 plus 72 plus 72 to get a grand total of 216 inches of ribbon they will use on their flags. Homework. Again, you can pause this, try the homework on your own, then restart the video at the homework section and check your work. Miguel glues a ribbon border around the edge of a 5-inch by 8-inch picture to create a frame. What is the total length of ribbon Miguel uses? Draw your picture. 5/8 by 8, 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 would equal 26 inches. The ribbon is 26 inches long. Question 2. A building at Elmira College has a room shaped like an octagon. The length of each side of the room is 35 feet. Draw your octagon, label your sides, and find the perimeter. 5 feet, 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 5 feet. And since they were all the same, they chose to multiply, but you could have added 5 plus 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 5 for a total of 40 feet. The perimeter of this room at Elmira College that's shaped like an octagon is 40 feet. Number 3, Manny fences a rectangular area for his dog to play in the backyard. The area measures 35 yards by 45 yards. What would be the total length of the fence? Again, a rectangle. The two shorter sides are going to be 35. The longer side will be 45. What is the total length of the fence? Pause, try it on your own. 35 plus 45 plus 35 plus 45 equals 160 yards. Manny uses 160 yards of fence for his dog. Tyler uses craft sticks to make a hexagon. Each craft stick is 6 inches long. What is the perimeter of Tyler's hexagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides in a hexagon. Each is 6. So if they're the same, you could multiply 6 times 6 equals 36. Or you could have added 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which would also give you an answer of 36 inches for the perimeter. Frances made a rectangular path from her driveway to her porch. The width of the path is 2 feet. The length is 28 feet longer than the width. What is the perimeter of the path? This is tricky because the width is 2 feet, the length is 28 feet longer than the width. Okay, 30 feet, because you had to add 28 plus 2 to get your 30 feet. So that might have tricked some of you. And you're going to do 2 feet plus 30 feet plus 2 feet plus 30 feet for a grand total of 64 feet for the perimeter. Make sure you read the questions carefully. The gym teacher uses tape to mark a 4-square court on the gym floor, as shown. The outer square has side lengths of 16 feet. What is the total length of tape the teacher uses to mark square A? So you're going to break that down, 8 and 8 and 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 32 feet. So the teacher uses 32 feet of tape. The exit ticket. Okay, you're gonna pause, try the exit ticket on your own. Marlene ropes off a square section of her yard where she plants grass. One side length of the square is 9. And what is the total length? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 4 times 9 would equal 36 yards. Marlene's rope is 36 yards long. And that is the end of lesson 15. Great work. One more lesson to go in this module.